Hi guys and welcome to today's video. It's Crypto Tiger here, and today I got a new amazing project to show you, which is of course Antex.org. So let's start with showing you the page. So as you can see, Antex is a decentralized financial infrastructure. Of course, Antex provides the foundational building layers for a new digital economy with following products: stablecoin, crypto or fiat, DEX, Launchpad, Lock Liquidity, and Lock Token, and connecting crypto to the real world. So I think that's pretty promising, pretty cool for the project like this. So here we got the two buttons below the introduction to the project, of course. So the first one is a buy Antex, of course, and it takes us to the page where we got, of course, like a countdown, of course, to the pre-sale of the token sale, of course. So I think that you should be interested with that because it is pretty soon. As I am recording it, it is like 15 days, of course. So 12 hours, of course, 33 minutes. So I think that everything's clear. So you can check that out. What time it takes, of course, for countdown to start, of course, as are you watching this right now, of course. So let's scroll down and see we got some things about the token, of course. Antex token use cases. So let's go to the cases, of course. So the first one is holding Antex token on VNDT wallet. You will receive partner level incentives with reduced fees, increased interest rates on saving packages, and many other incentives. So I think that's pretty cool. You can also check anything of these cases, of course, by clicking on read more, and you got all information there. I think that's pretty cool. So the next one is holding Antex. A token will help projects reduce their lock token fees and lock liquidity fees on the Antlock platform, of course, which is of course cool for the projects. The Antex token will be a utility token operating on the blockchain platform that Antex deploys in the future. So I think that's pretty important. And now here we got holding Antex token will help to investors to participate in IDOV and being the first list to purchase token on ILO. So I think that's pretty important, of course, as well. Antex token will be used to pay fees for project support services on the Antex blockchain wallet, of course, which is pretty simple to use. Antex token will be used as a mortgage, digital asset, and saving on VNDT wallet. So I think that's pretty useful cases. You can use the platform. I think that's a cool stuff, of course. So let's go on, and here we got the tokenomics, of course, of the Antex. So our mission is to build a trusted, friendly, and stable blockchain financial ecosystem. The following token utilization is to demonstrate how we are preparing for a long run plan. So I think that's pretty cool that the plan is long because the project will develop in the future, of course. So here we got the key metrics, of course, token symbol, Antex, supply. Here we got the pretty cool amount of it, of course, blockchain, BSC, of course, auditor 30k. Here we got the contract, you can copy that, of course, token type, utility, governance. And here we got all the percentages, of course, marketing 15%, ecosystem 16%, reserve funding 10%, pre-sale 16%, dev 5%, public sale 3%, private sale 11%, technical 15%, airdrop and bounty 2%, advisor 2%, and the last one, not least one, of course, seed round 5%. I think that's pretty cool that here we got all the percentages, so everything is clear about the tokenomics. I think that's pretty transparent about the project, so it's very cool, of course. And here we got the rounds of the sale, of course. Here we got the ones that are done, of course, closed, of course, but there is like coming one in the October. So as you can see, it is a pre-sale, and of course here we got the time when it will start, of course, the pre-sale, of course. So I think that's pretty cool. Of course, all the information about it are here, so everything is clear, of course. Here we got the schedules, of course, all the technical things and all the stuff are here. So if you're interested in the pre-sale, of course, here we got all the like 9 months vesting, 15% release at TGA, of course, token generation event, then unlock with a given rate in each month. So I think that's pretty cool. So here we got all the like percentages again. So here we got the pre-sale, of course. So everything is like given. Funds usage, of course, 25% of raised funds will be used for marketing. Again, 25% of raised funds will be used for building products and platforms. 10% of raised funds will be used for insurance, funds, and reserve. 15 of raised funds will be used for operation, and again 25% will be used for liquidity of the Antex token. So I think that's pretty cool. But let's be back to the main site and see what's in there, of course. So here we got our mission of the project, of course. Antex ecosystem long-term vision and mission, being the most convenient, optimized, and secured platform for developers, project owners, and community. So I think that's very promising. Antex ecosystem, of course, again, VNDT stablecoins. VNDT stablecoin is backed liquidity with VNDT, of course. So as you can see, rate of 1-to-1 by John Long. The payment intermediary licensed by the State Bank of Vietnam. So I think that's pretty legit. Here we got the transaction and payment services VNDT wallet. VNDT, a truly digital banking, of course. So I think that's pretty cool. So let's see VNDT's vision, approaching cryptocurrencies to real life with VPay services, allowing users to interact all daily services within the VNDT wallet. Unique of VNDT wallet to optimize and increase users' digital assets by crypto earn and commission reward scheme. So I think that's pretty cool, and it has its own app, of course, so we can download it on App Store and of course Google Store as well. So here we got the end lock, which I mentioned before, of course. Lock token and lock liquidity is becoming a common standard in DeFi field. So you can click here to like see more. So here we got, of course, more things about it like coming. Then you can like see it in the future, of course. And launch a new launch mount generation with 0 features. ILO initial liquidity offering, of course, and IDOV initial DEX offering and vesting. And launch bring a process for developer or project owner, safe investment place for the investor community with flexibility, decentralization. These features solve current centralized or decentralized launchpad problem or issues. The user's requirement conveniently with features on and launch while still ensuring the absolute security with endlocks functionality. Of course, here we got the interface of it. So I think that's pretty simple. Here we got the like app of the Antex blockchain wallet. The next generation DeFi wallet provides innovative features in storing, exchanging cryptocurrencies and NFTs. So I think that's pretty cool. Here we got the roadmap of the project, which is the things they've done so far and the things that they are planning for the next year, which is 2022, of course. So you can see it, of course. they've done so many things, and they are planning so many as well. So I think that's pretty cool that the project will develop in the future. And here we got the team. I think that's pretty cool in the project, like when the team is given all the names and stuff, so it is like more legit and everything is so professional, and I love to see it in the project like this. So as you can see, you got all the faces, all the persons all behind the project, so I think that's pretty cool. Investors, of course, advisors, and here we got the partner from all the businesses, like different. I think that's pretty cool. Here we got the press release, of course, some like articles about it, so I think that's pretty cool as well, that it has a like popularity to it, so it will grow more, of course. And for the end of this video, I got some social medias to show you, of course. Here is like, so here we got like Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, YouTube and Discord. So I recommend you to join all the social medias to be updated about any information about the project, any update. I think that's pretty cool to be updated if you're interested in the project. So for example, we can visit like Twitter, of course. So we are on Twitter, of course, and as you can see, the Twitter account has a huge following. It is like over 85,000 followers, so I think that's pretty cool. So let's see what the latest news are. Of course, here we got the announcement about the whitelist for pre-sale. So as you can see, here we got the announcement, of course, some cool graphics, of course, and here we got the link where we can join that whitelist pre-sale, of course. So if we click on it, it takes us to the page where we can, of course, join the whitelist of the pre-sale, of course. So the participants have the opportunity to buy tokens at the earliest stage and can earn profit for your investment right after listing. So I think that's pretty cool. Don't miss out on this opportunity to be one of the first investors. A pre-sales platform, of course, Antex. The time when the pre-sale starts, of course, it is 10th of October 2021, of course. Here we got the soft cap and hard cap, minimum and maximum contribution, and here we got the price of the pre-sale, of course, which is like pretty attractive. And here we got to compare the public sale price. So I think that's pretty cool to be in the pre-sale price, of course, because it is like more attractive. And here we got some pre-sale rounds, the first one, the second one, of course. So that's it. And here we got announced winners in 3rd October 2021. Total of winners, 300 slots for top entries and 900 slots random picked, of course. So I think that's pretty cool to join the whitelist, of course. Here we got the continue, and of course that's it. I think that's pretty simple to do, and you can like earn more money by, of course, joining earlier than later, of course. I think that's a pretty cool opportunity to have, and I think that's it for this video, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!